The night is black, and the forest has no end. A million people threaded in a million ways. We have trysts to keep in the darkness, but where or with whom? Of that we are unaware. But we have this faith that a lifetime's bliss will appear any minute, with a smile upon its lips. Scents, touches, sounds, snatches of songs brush us, pass us, give us delightful shocks. Then, peradventure, there's a flash of lightning. Whomever I see that instant, I fall in love with. I call that person and cry, this life is blessed. For your sake, such miles have I traversed. All those others who came close and moved off in the darkness, I don't know if they exist or not.